Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel English with Gamali. So how are you guys? Hope you all are doing great, fantastic. So today I'm going to reveal the secret of speaking English. Yes guys, first of all I would like to say if you are new over here, so please subscribe this channel and as well as you can press the bell icon so that you get easily notification. So today I'm going to reveal the secret of speaking in English. And what is this? So first of all, I would like to say stop translating Hindi to English and stop translating in your head from your native language into English, because translating method it's not so much work. And why I'm sharing, because when I was starting my journey, I initial stage I was facing a lot of problem. I used this process, but I couldn't see much progress in my learning journey. So then I realized if I am doing this work, so I will never ever speak this language fluently and naturally. So because we are human being, and if you are living in area where the people are speaking in English, so it's easy for your speaking practice. But if you are living in an area where the people are not speaking in English and you are not surrounded by English environment, so it could not possible to speak this language very confidently and fluently. But start today I'm going to reveal the secret of speaking in English, how to start your think in English. Yes, thinking in English every time it's a very good process, because nowadays I am trying to this technique and really it's helpful. So how to start think in English and why think in English is so important. So first, we have to start how to start think in English. So for example, first one is talk with small words and sentences. For example, you know some word meaning and some phrases, so start talk this sentences and from these sentences from this word meaning. For example, you are getting up in the morning, that time you can think in your mind, I wake up this time, I have to cook food, I have to go to washroom, I have to do this work, I have to do that work. You can think in English likewise. Second one is start describe your day. Yes, start describe your day. Whenever you are getting up and after getting up you are doing work in whole chores, so you can describe, I am cooking food and I have to uh, make a chapati, I have to go to outside. Likewise you can practice in English, and you can practice like you can think in English. Thinking process is very helpful for every people. And the third one is speak in home, inner home, like if you are living at your home and if you don't have so much time, so you can start speaking yourself, like ask some question and give you reply. For example, if you are waking up in the morning time and that time you are very uh, quiet person, you don't want to speak, so you can think in English like my day was starting and what I have to do and what should I do now. Like this you can ask question and you can give reply. It's very easy task and it's very helpful task for beginners, for learners. And nowadays I am trying this activities and it's very helpful, I am doing this work. So these are technique, if which one if you follow, so definitely you can see, you could see your in like benefit. Definitely and don't frustrate it, don't disappoint, because it will take so much time. And if you are your beginning stage, so don't so much worried about like I am not speaking so good, I am not speaking like this, like that. Okay, don't compare yourself to others people, because it's a long process journey, learning journey, English learning journey. It's a so long process journey. So keep patience and be positive and keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.